Yeah, hi there. Thank you so much for clicking in once again. And today we are going to learn a few more words and few more situations. And so these are the words we have for today. Look at these words. How do you pronounce them? So how do we say the first word? Is it government? So it is not government. It is government. Government. How would we say that? Government. The way we will rhyme this word with love. So the way we say love, we will say gov. So love and gov. So it's government. 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 How do we say that? Government. And the second word is available. So it is not available or available. It's available. 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 How do we say that? Available. Available. So the first one is government. The second one is available. And the third one is relative. And the fourth one is opinion. And the fifth one is oven, like microwave oven. And the last one is onion. So onion, oven, like microwave oven. And the third one is opinion. And then relative, available, and then government. So government, available, relative, opinion, oven, and onion. So onion, oven, opinion, relative, available, and government. So it's government, available, relative, opinion, oven, and onion. So I hope you have written these words by now. I'm going to rub them and we're going to talk about the situation, the helping verb which we have today. So as in the previous session, we did has, have plus third form of the verb. So we are going to do the same helping verb once again in this session. So this session is an extension of has and have plus third form of the verb. So जैसे हमें पता है कि हम has have का यूज करते हैं जब हम कोई काम कर चुके हैं. So I have completed this work, I have gone there, I have spoken to him and I have written this. So जब आप कोई काम complete कर चुके हैं, काम पूरा किया जा चुका है, at that point of time you use has, have plus third form of the verb. और इसी have, has और have के साथ once again आप stop, start का भी यूज कर सकते हैं. जैसे मैंने ये काम कर लिया है तो I have completed this work और मैं ये काम करना शुरू कर चुका हूं. So I have started doing this work. मैं यह काम करना शुरू कर चुका हूं. I have started doing this work. मैं ये काम करना बंद कर चुका हूं. I have stopped doing this work. So मैं काम करना शुरू कर चुका हूं. I have started doing this work. और मैं ये काम करना बंद कर चुका हूं. I have stopped doing this work. तो इस पे भी आप 6 सेंटेंस बना सकते हैं. I have started doing it. I have not started doing it. Have I started doing it? Have I not started doing it? Why have I started doing it? And why have I not started doing it? So that's how you can make sentences with the help of this. And also at times we use this situation. जैसे आपने देखा होगा, मैंने खाना खा लिया है. या आप कह सकते हैं मैं खाना खा चुका हूं. So you can make I have eaten my food. इसको मॉडर्न इंग्लिश में आप ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं I have had my food. So ये यहां पर जो had है that is the third form of have, जिसका मतलब है खाना. अब इसको अगर आप इंटेरोगेटिव में बनाएंगे so I have had my food और यहीं पर मैं आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछूं क्या आपने खाना खा लिया है, तो आप इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं have you eaten food. एंड आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं have you had food. Have you had food? So जब कभी भी आपके घर में कोई मेहमान आता है आप उससे पूछते हैं अरे क्या आपने खाना खा लिया है. Have you had food? Have you had lunch? Have you had dinner? Have you had breakfast? Yes, I have had breakfast. Yes, I have had lunch. Yes, I have had dinner. So that's how you can make sentences with the help of has, have plus third form, and has stopped, and have started, and have stopped, and have started. So that's how you can make sentences. और मैं आज आपको एक टिप भी देना चाहूंगा इन ऑर्डर टू इंप्रूव कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स। जब कभी भी आप अपनी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स पे काम करते हैं, एज आई ऑलवेज कीप सेइंग इन माय सेशंस, कि जो कोई सेंटेंस भी आप हिंदी में सोचते हैं, व्हेनेवर यू थिंक एनीथिंग इन हिंदी, जस्ट ट्राई टू कन्वर्ट दैट इनटू इंग्लिश। आप ये सोचें कि मैं इसको इंग्लिश में कैसे बोलूंगा। आप अपनी डे टू डे लाइफ में इतनी सारी एक्टिविटीज करते हैं, राइट देम डाउन ऑन द पीस ऑफ पेपर एट नाइट and just try to think in English. Try to make the English of those sentences कि मैं इन sentences को English में कैसे बोलूंगा, इस word की English क्या होगी, इस शब्द की English क्या होगी. Just try to think in your day to day life और बहुत जल्दी आप पाएंगे कि आपका माइंड ने आपको आंसर देने शुरू कर दिए हैं and you have been able to make sentences in English. So that was all about today's sessions. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll get back to you very soon. Till the time, take care of yourself.